How to fix Wi-Fi is not showing in settings on Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to fix the Wi-Fi not showing problem, so on your Windows, it disables the Wi-Fi service and you cannot connect to the Wi-Fi. If your Windows disables it, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue by 6 methods. So you need to simply enable the Wi-Fi. In some laptops, such as HP, Lenovo, Dell, they have the switch on or off on their keyboard to turn their Wi-Fi on or off. So you need to simply use the keys like Fn plus F2. So check the switch keys or the keys and turn on your Wi-Fi service. And if you don't have the Wi-Fi switch on your laptop or computer, then you can check it in your system. So go to the search bar and type control panel and open up your control panel, and here you can go for network. So if you don't find the network here, then you can simply search for it. Go for the search and then search for network, and here you will have network and sharing center, right? Click on that and it will take you to this kind of page, and from the left change and here from the left choose change adapter settings and right click on the Wi-Fi and enable. Note one thing that if your Wi-Fi has been disabled, then you will not have the disable option. You will have enable option. So if you have enable option instead of this disable, then you need to simply go for enable and enable your Wi-Fi. And this is the first fix, but if this still doesn't fix your problem, then the second method is to enable WLAN, auto configuration. So to do that, so in order to use or in order to enable the Wi-Fi, you need to enable the WLAN service. This might be disabled, so that's what causing the problem. So you can simply go for the start menu and then type in services, and you can click on run as administrator. In the services window, you can locate the WLAN auto configuration service. It might be on the bottom. And here you will have that option, and here you can right click on that and then go for properties, and you can change the startup type to automatic. So if you don't have automatic, then you need to simply choose automatic and then click on apply and OK. And now you can simply restart your computer, and once you restart, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can remove that. And the third method is to update your Wi-Fi driver. So in some cases, you are unable to see the Wi-Fi option in Windows settings because your Wi-Fi drivers are in such a scenario that you should try to update your driver automatically. So here's how you can update your driver. You need to simply right click on the start button and then select device manager. And once you select your device manager, now you need to expand your network adapters and locate your wireless card. Right click and select update driver, and from here you can choose search automatically from drivers or browse my computer for drivers. So if you choose the second option, you can simply choose any driver, and then once you choose, you can simply apply that and you can update your driver. And once you've updated, you can simply remove that. And the fourth method is to reinstall your Wi-Fi driver. So you need to simply delete that and then you can reinstall your Wi-Fi driver. So to do that, you need to again simply go for the device manager and then expand the network adapters list. And here you can choose that and then go for uninstall device. And once you uninstall the device, you need to simply again install it by the same process that we used to update. And once you've done that, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, the fifth method is to tweak power management. If the Wi-Fi option in Windows settings disappears out of the blue, then this can be due to your card driver's power settings. Therefore, to get the Wi-Fi option back, you will have to edit the power management settings. So here's how you can do that. You can go for the device manager again, and now you can again expand the network adapters and double click on your wireless card, and then here you will have power management. Go for the power management and choose the first option, which is allow this computer to turn off this device to save power. And once you've selected that, now click on OK. and remove. So that might fix your problem. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then the last method is the system configuration. So you need to simply search for system configuration on your search bar and click on run as administrator. And now here you can go for the services and you can click on enable all. And once you click on enable all, click on apply and then click on OK. And after doing all of these settings, simply restart your device, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix Wi-Fi not working in settings on Windows 10 or 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.